Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy chow mein. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes your noodles, a variety of fresh vegetables like bell peppers and carrots, and your essential sauces. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation step is key for a quick and tasty meal. Next, let's get those noodles perfectly cooked. Boil them according to package directions until they're just right, then drain and give them a quick rinse to prevent sticking. In a hot wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and stir-fry your favorite vegetables until they're vibrant and slightly tender. Don't overcook them. We want that nice crunch. Once done, remove them and keep them warm. Now for the star of the dish, the gravy. In your wok, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. This creates a flavorful base. Then, gradually whisk in your cornstarch slurry. Keep stirring until the gravy reaches that perfect, luscious thickness. It should coat the back of a spoon beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Return your cooked noodles and stir-fried vegetables to the wok with the rich, flavorful gravy. Gently toss everything until every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated in that delicious sauce. Serve your gravy chow mein immediately for the best taste and texture. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.